I will just try to find the homework, and we will start very soon.
Okay.
And when we start, we will just start the timer also.
Yes, I started it 15 seconds ago.
Okay, so I have to be hurry. You just have to wait a minute or so. But this is a when you are used to it, this is a fast homework. Sorry for the delay.
I didn't get your question.
I mean, the cucumber thing is not easy at the beginning, but when you are getting used to it, it is getting easier and faster. And I will just connect to the assignment.
Yes, please get into my C9. The problem is also that the sequence that they give to the homework, it's full of flaws. You don't have a real guidance.
Yes.
You have to see the videos, and you have to get into the SAS book, and in between you have to find out from the air what are you supposed to do. I believe that it misses a lot of information guiding you what they really want you to do.
Yes, I totally agree with you, and the video is not very effective, and somehow I feel that I have to buy the book to just work with it. But after many hours and hours, I managed to do something, and so we can work on it now.
Yes, I have the electronic version of the book, but it doesn't help as much as you expect. You have those GIST tests, but for example, good documentation about cucumber for reading. They don't mention good documentation. You have to do a lot of searches in the internet and pay your sins twice. It's complicated. But
Yes.
let's do the pair programming.
Yes, and I am starting with directly with part 1, and do I have to work with homework BDD cucumber, or there is other? Okay, this is all right for me, and so now at the beginning we have this database, and let me share the
Your screen.
is hope it shares, because Google Chrome just sucks, you know. If not, I will just do it. And you can share your view also. Then when I write, they can see it. Now I'm seeing your face. Can
Yes,
you?
I put my C9 there.
Okay. Now I can work with it. So okay, now we have to put this into into the background job. So I just, for the background, I just wanted to do this in the step definitions. For the thing, okay, I just do the same thing because let me, what you had done this as I guess. So I will just go for
C9.
yes, in C9 I just, sorry, for the next part, and which is EG and R ratings, I just do it like this.
Yes, I'm from your side. I'm just seeing a black screen.
Yes, this is the unhappy thing about Firefox.
Oh. I just use.
So let's fix on your screen. Given I check the following ratings. And I just, we can do it like this, but just to keep it simple. And
yes, I still don't get anything about you here.
On your view, didn't you see it?
On my view, I have my C9, but you're not modifying anything on it. I'll even try to run the two of them together.
Now let me check. Go into homework BD Cucumber.
Yes, I'm online on C9.
Okay, in your C9, please go into homework BDD Cucumber folder.
We are already there.
On the left side. I just want you to open the file.
Okay, which file do you want?
The
4 files. Okay, I'll let them here.
Yes.
The potatoes.
Filter movie list features.
Features.
Yes.
1, 2. Step definitions. 1, 2.
And please navigate to filter movie list feature.
2.
Yes. So you see, these are what I write, and I just want to uncheck all the rest like this. Uncheck G and PG-13 and another thing, but we don't need the NC blah blah rating because we don't have it. So this is the uncheck also, and when I click the
yes, but I'm not seeing anything that we're doing.
On your, let me check.
I'm just seeing.
Go just below, just in the filter movie list. Go to filter movie list feature, please. Show me on the screen filter movie list dot feature. One tab left.
Just a minute. I have to go to my.
Yes.
You mean this one here?
Yes. In there and navigate to down, please, a little bit. So see, I'm writing this, and I will keep just do it like, and I.
Okay, okay. You forgot NEC 17.
But in this, you see in this background.
Okay.
So I don't need it. When I click refresh, so in here I just want to sample because I don't want to write it all. Then I should see family and I should see The Incredibles. Let me.
No problem. When I take control in 3 minutes, then I will copy and paste all the names there. That's no problem.
Okay, and I should. So.
Oh, and I should not see.
Yes.
You type I not should see.
Okay, sorry.
And some lines up, you've typed I click. I believe it's I press.
Okay. I'm not checking the web steps now, but yes, you are right. I just want to
fulfill the skeleton.
Yes, and when I press yes, thank you so much. When I sorry, this should be for the second scenario. I just do something like this. I'm just copying and pasting. When I check all the ratings, then I should see all the movies. So for this, we can switch now, I guess. So
okay.
You can continue. What do you want to do?
I just put the complete list of movies over there. Let me see if I have it open here. Yes.
But you can also do it by, I mean, you do the exhaustive testing. You do with all test possibilities. You go with it. But I think we can also do the sampling.
Yeah, okay, no, we can even run it here.
Yes.
Let me take some notes here. 14, the first exchange was in 14. Cucumber. Is there any test and option here? No, just the
say feature, yes.
features and sort.
Nope, we implemented filter movie. Filter movie list. We implemented those.
Yes.
Okay.
Filter movie list. That feature. Oh, nice.
So yeah, but also we can go to rotten potatoes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's better in other potatoes. Cucumber does not exist.
So which is a little bit naughty. Okay.
It needs a bundle install anyway. That's okay. Then it's the full show, including the behind the scenes, had to be done. Okay. Okay, everything is complaining. Unimplemented. Yes, of course, you don't have almost anything there. Where do you want me to start? Implementing these filters for the
Yes.
Okay, let's go
to. Let's first check web steps if we have to use only single quotes or double quotes. I mean, we are using with the check the following blah blah.
Yes, I will start with the putting the movies into the movie table. We don't have any movies here.
Yeah, I understand what is happening.
I'm just putting this here. I'm inserting the movies, and I'll make from this line a comment. Wow, just a minute. File, save. Because the test database is empty, then we have to populate it. I did something wrong. He's not happy with me.
Yes, because you started a loop, and then you started an inner loop, and there is a problem with the number of ends. Maybe at line 7.
I've copied the false line. That's the problem. I don't have to copy this line here. This line is there over. I already have it here.
Yes.
I have to copy this. Yes,
and
that's
okay. With one end, okay.
Copy and paste is not so easy.
Yes.
Yes, that's okay.
Okay.
The movies are there, and I am on the Rotten Potatoes homepage. Then it's complaining about all these checkings here. Then I have to fulfill the steps for it. With the movie list feed. You already did it. Then I have to modify. Movie steps is okay.
And can you just navigate to web steps RB?
Yes.
And go to 89, line 89. Here is my mistake. First of all, I don't want to change web RB. Web steps RB. And when I see it, when I check with double quotes. So can you fix my lines at filter movie list feature?
Yeah, I know there is an error. I'm just trying to find out where it is.
It is so we cannot match it with line 89. So we can change filter movie list features at the filter movie list feature tab.
Okay, just a minute. Let me open it here. At 89. Let me see what is there. Check field. Check field.
So it is check field. This is okay, but you see it is with double quotes. And I write it with single quotes. Can you navigate to
Wait.
my implementation filter movie list features file?
Wait, I'm looking for this web steps.
Yes.
I'm getting this here, and it is okay. Should be okay. When then I have to take a result, maybe.
This is the unhappy thing with Cucumber. Either I have to be very good with regular expressions.
Wait, let me open it again.
Can you open the filter movie list feature?
Please?
The filter movie list feature. Yes.
Yes.
Do you see? I write it with single quotes.
Okay, it have to be full double quotes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll copy filter movie. I have I'll copy everything here. Just a minute.
Yes, for sure. Okay.
Okay. I didn't modify anything.
Maybe you do because but this is not important. Let's see if it passes or not. Because given I check when I check the ratings and in the PG R, we have to make a processing. for the list.
It hasn't this option. Then
Yes.
I have to put this option on filter movies. On filter movies. On the web steps, no, on the movie steps.
Yes.
I did it even.
Okay.
So stopping it here. Then I have to go to movie steps.
Yes.
Then I have that following, but the second. I don't know how to do it here. This.
Yes.
Then I uncheck. Then I comment this line and copy the code here. What I'm doing, I'm getting the, I've called this here just field, not this funny long name. And I'm splitting in comma. Then I have a lot of options. Each of these options could have a space before or after. Then I'm doing delete space. It will delete all the spaces. Then I'm stepping inside. Let's see if it works here.
Yes. It should work.
Yes.
Fantastic. For the all ratings selected.
Yes, we don't have it. It's somewhere here. Then I should see all movies.
Yes.
I did it. It's the one of that I had a lot of trouble to find the mechanism to the explanations about cucumber. When I found it, it was very easy to do, but until I found it on the internet, that was a nightmare.
Yes.
I'm doing just that. It's so small, but it lets it could almost burn my mind.
There is also an easier thing to work with. I just put debugger when I enter a targeted feature or description, whatever.
I was trying to work without debugger. I was trying to work without using debugger. Then I could exercise a little bit more. But at some time during the tests, it was impossible. Then I had to use debugger as you did because I couldn't find any clue what was this problem that I was making. Okay, this one is okay. Let's try our short movie.
Okay.
The movie exists. Oh. Then I don't have the steps there. The steps are missing here.
So that's why we okay, we just follow the title and we are happy with it. But
okay, but
there is
it's
no.
time to change again if you want to
Yes,
take over.
yes, please. Yes, please. So in the short movie, so we are happy because we don't do anything by means of we have the green lights, but we know that we don't do anything. I just do it like this. I just choose some of the movies carefully, and I choose Space Odyssey before Aladdin, Help before Harry Met Sally, and Harry Met
Yes.
Sally. I should not see Harry Met Sally before the Terminator.
Yes, I randomly choose two, paying attention to name order and date order, and that's enough for me. I was so tired I didn't want to test with another movie.
Yes, I totally understand you, and I just want to understand to understand the cucumber. I just want to add some more difficulty, but in the end, I don't like this type of this exercise either, because I mean this course should be uh, to teach on how to use the Ruby and Rails, but it was so hard. I was so tackled. So basically, this is the short movie. These are the scenarios,
That's okay.
and for the movie steps, because when I do it, I should not see, then I have to add another thing like I should not see, or I have to put it like something like this, which makes it much harder, and I was so tired that I just want to go wet.
No,
It was not try.
I didn't use I should not see. I've got the two lines that are at the end of the file. I have it also in the first step. So I could comment two pairs and make a sad story, and uncomment and comment the other pair and make a happy story, a happy option.
After that, please show me this, and I just want to use the page all again, and with movies ID, movies, and T-body, and
Are you in which file are you typing now?
in movie steps,
Okay.
at line 18. Sorry, I just forgot to tell you this. The 10th child, which is going to be start with 1, and I just want to map it. Oops, doing like this. Should be like that. And I take the movies as like this. Sorry, I just why I use debugger, because I just want to do it like I just want to see what's inside the variables.
Okay, don't forget to comment fail and implemented.
Sorry?
The line at line 21, fail and implemented. You have to comment it.
Yes. For now, unfortunately, you cannot see my bash, but I just want to check what's inside the movie. That's all. So I will make everybody to wait a little bit.
And I have a static page here.
Yes. Sorry.
Are you still in the same file?
Yes, we are. I'm on the same file. I just want to on bash. I'm on debugger. I just want to see what's inside the movie. So it is a list. I mean, it was just like this. I just want to show. I will just delete it in a moment. It was like this in my bash. So I will just go on for the matching, and this is like this. With that index.
Yes, your code is based on HTML. That's why it's so big.
Yeah, and this should be true. Should be true. So let's try. Let's try it. Can you just try it for me so everybody can see?
Okay.
I will just look for it, and I should see Terminator before Aladdin, and
Then you are in short movies.
I will just run the cucumber on my side also to see what's going on easier. Local variable method movies.
Yeah, the problem is this blind Firefox that you got there.
Sorry. I write it like movie. It should be movies like this. Yeah, because of this Firefox add-on for Google Hangouts, we have this unfortunate thing. Can you please run the test again?
Okay. Yes, it's okay. What I told you for the testing, I'm doing it here. What I did is I have these 2 lines also here, and I get these 2 lines also here. And I can test the set pass. Then I can make it fail.
Okay, but for this issue, I think we need something like then I should not see, because now we have to change as by means of automation. We have a problem. For each change of code, this cucumber thing has to run and has to pass all the tests.
But just what the automation unit is doing. It will send 2 names that should be one before the other, expecting for true. Then it will send the same names with position changing, waiting for false. We don't need I should not see.
Okay, you can switch the thing also. Yes, you are also right. But let's do it like this, so it will be much better. Can I give my example?
Please do it. I'm just saving it here.
Yes.
Just to see if I didn't make anything wrong.
No,
It should be
it's
okay.
useful. Let's do it like this. Then I should see again. Maybe we can write it like, okay, this is so silly. We can find good examples in your when it is sorted alphabetically. It gives a different result when, like, maybe in chocolate and the help. So you see, one is later than the other, and for the name, maybe we can do it like this.
Yes.
I should say it like that. These all stay true, right? January, yes. Chocolate and the help is okay in the two scenarios, but it is not. Aladdin and Terminator is not okay. We should change it.
Yes, you have to swap places.
Maybe.
Yeah, if you swap the names, you will get an error.
Maybe we can do it like this for the sort movies alphabetically. So have the other. and for the increasing order, maybe we have another thing. I mean, if I just wanted to tell you this, we have to find good examples, because I don't want to just add comments and take it back, because I have to do it with automation.
No, the comments we are using to test our logic. After that, you can take out the comments. Because the automation test in the grader won't use our sort movie or filter movie. You use his own file to test our logic.
See, I understand.
Then I just don't need I should not see. I'm testing name order. I should see this before this. I don't have to use the reverse.
I understand it. So also for me, I shouldn't use the I should not see, because for my test to be okay with the auto grader, I have to use the same functionalities. You are right.
Yes.
So
that's what I did. It works well. What you can do is just, for example, if you want line 36 to fail, then you have to get Aladdin here and the terminator there.
yeah, okay. I understand. By the way,
We have to change.
But I think it is finished. Do we have anything left?
I just wanted to show you something here.
Yes.
What I
so
did.
let's change for the last time, and
Okay.
so you can legitimately show me your coding. And by the way, thank you. In this course, I learned a lot from you.
Don't we have another pair programming?
Yes, and hopefully we will just code it together also.
Okay, I try to prepare everything to be ready on Saturday. The time you can say when.
Okay. By the way, this is the not so beautiful part of the cucumber, because for the for this multiple spaces, you see, okay, this will give you did run, right? Okay, there is another funny problem. I just want to show. Now there is no problem, but I will just want to show you this. Can you run it again? Do you see what I did? Did you see what I did? I just put an extra space in here. So now we have two spaces in here. Now I delete it and turn back to one space. And can you run it again?
Okay.
This is what I am not fond of the issues in Cucumber.
Yes.
the regular expression is so brittle, and to make it dry, to make your code, your cucumber code, your cucumber whatever it is feature, to make it dry, you have to write cumbersome regular expression handling. And
Yes,
so
it
if I,
complicates a little bit.
yes, uh, because when I want to, can you switch to web steps RB, please?
Which 5 web steps
Web
here?
steps. For this sort of movie issue, then I should see, is it in here? I should see at 115, at line 115.
Yes.
Then you have to put some something like this is space, I think, and you have to put something like this to make together work for one extra line. Then you can have the same thing in here, then it gets all unhappy.
Yes, because as you saw when I prepared this, it was on the movie steps. And you see here, I used ret.delete to
Yes,
take out the spaces. But there, I can't use it because in the middle of the movie name, there are a lot of spaces.
yes,
Then you have to one option to prepare funny regex extractions. The second option, before processing the final the target, you have to take trailing and leading spaces, and after treat the word.
yes.
Yeah, this
And
is a problem with this kind of thing.
for this issue, at the line 40, you use the step. But for me, I'm not happy with using step in there, and I just went on capybara because why? Because in here the customer does not care what is going on.
Yes, and you have to be an expert in regex, and that annoys me a little bit.
Yes, I mean in at the line 30 for this example, the line 30 is the job of analyst. Line 30. Maybe a job, maybe not. Maybe the job of analyst just ends with filter movie list features.
Yes,
And here is the testers part.
yes.
He has to build software in tests, for
Yeah.
tests.
What I wanted to show you here in movie steps, line 21, you use this movies, then you use all this construct in HTML. What I did is just this one line. Because if I get page body, it's a long string with everything that's on the page.
Yes,
Then I'm trying to find the index of E1 and the index of E2 into that long string. If this is less than this one, it has to be true to find one movie before the other.
I understand, but I'm not happy with this either. Why? I just want to tell you,
I
please.
know with using HTML is much more It's classic. It's more complete.
Why? Because there may be another. Now we are with this with page body. We are going in a text, in a free
Yes.
text, something like this, and I do not have any control over the structure of this page. So yes, and that is what I was not happy with in this homework. Also gives the lead, gives the hints for the page body, but to find page all is what matters. I mean, in any professional environment, I shouldn't use page body at all.
Okay.
We should use the structured. So they have to. I mean, I wanted that they just need to give the hint of page all, not page body. This was also interesting.
I got it.
So, Carlo, I think that is enough for us to share our video on air. So we can just close being on air. We can go off air.
Okay, I'm stopping it now.